Samantala, Ranidel, sa tres titira. Yung papitik niya na tres, pumasok yun. Mar Fajardo, babalik po sa Tubid. Naipasa dito kay Arwin Santos and Harvey will give up the ball.
Okay.
Only the first miss for Arwin Santos. Also missing the second.
Again, ito yung sinasabi natin. Petron should have taken off.
Nakikita natin sa inbound. Uy, si Donel Harvey ang kanilang hinahanap. Pero mawawala bola. Diving for the ball. It's Ronald Del Campo. Ronald Tubid. Ayaw ibigay yung bola. But it's a jump ball between Ronald Tubid and Donel Harvey. Ang sinasabi ni Ronald Tubid, tumatawag daw siya ng foul. Timeout rather.
Tubid is claiming that he called a timeout. Let's see. Did he? Did he have possession? That's the question.
Oo, wala pang nakahawak ng
Who is going to grab possession?
Donel Harvey topping it off to Jason Castro. 9 seconds to go. Jason Castro. Will he take it? No, it's Jimmy Alapag with the fake. And the three. And it goes in! Ang mga cutters nakita niya. Pinigay kay Junior Fajardo who will lose it with one.
Kasi wala na silang timeout.
To Donel Harvey.
Here we go.
Malayo yung tira. Oh!
Almost.
Wow!